Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today we are going to be reviewing a new product line, and I'm really excited about it because I have been wanting to try this in my hair. And I actually did a poll on my Instagram and everybody said that they wanted to see me review the Moknowshair collection exclusively at Sally Beauty. So if you don't know who Moknowshair is, you've probably been sleeping under a rock. Moknowshair is an OG natural hair YouTuber. She is also a licensed cosmetologist, and she just recently launched her product line at Sally Beauty. It's actually exclusive to Sally Beauty, so you could only find it at Sally Beauty. So after I did a poll on my Instagram, Sally Beauty saw the poll and they sent the PR box over to me. So firstly, thank you Sally Beauty for sending this over to me. This is not a sponsored video. They just sent the product over to me so that I can review honestly. And thank you so much to my viewers for voting, because without you, I wouldn't have this PR box. So without further ado, let's get right into this review. I don't think this is going to be a voiceover because I feel like I'm a little too chatty and I have way too much to say, but I'm going to give you my first impressions on the product line, and then I'll get right into the demo and the review. Alright, so I have to back y'all up because this PR package is really big. Hey, look at this. Now watch when I open it. Don't want it all to fall out. Ooh, look at this. Ah! So this is Moknowshair. Her name is Monica, and like I said, she is a YouTuber and a natural hair stylist. Now, I want to be honest and letting you know that I did not watch Moknowshair video. I do not know what she said about the collection, so I'm not sure what the product line is meant for, but I will read here. It says, introducing Moknowshair, botanical blends, powerful proteins, formulas crafted to give curls the foundation for beautiful style. Introducing the Moknowshair curl collection for all curl types. So this collection comes with the curl primer, curl co-wash and conditioner, a scalp and curl clarifier, a curl setting gel, a curl styling potion, a curl restoring treatment, and a curl smoothing pudding. Now these products they start off at 4.22 fluid ounces. This is the smallest product, which is the scalp and curl clarifier, and I was like, most people with curly hair or natural hair need a lot more product than 4 ounces. And so I looked at the styling products and they're all like a little over 6 fluid ounces, and I was like, oh my god, we need so much more than this. But I heard that the products are actually highly concentrated, so you don't need a lot of it. So thank you to my followers for letting me know that, because I was like, oh my god, these products are so small, I might be able to use them like 4 times. So keep that in mind. It's supposed to be like meant for a lighter hand, not a heavier hand. So let me stop talking. This is why I didn't want to do a chatty review. I'm going to use the scalp and curl clarifier first. This is a pre-shampoo treatment. It says healthy hair begins with a healthy scalp. Remove pollutants and buildup without stripping natural oils, and reveal balanced scalp and curls. Before washing, apply to scalp and massage into lather. Wet hair and smooth lather through curls. I'm just going to start applying this product directly to my scalp. So I like that this has a nozzle on it for sure, because you can get directly to the scalp and you don't waste any product like that. So it has like a aromatic scent to it. Patchouli, yeah, I could smell the patchouli in there. Almost like cologne type of smell in a way, which I like. So if you don't clarify your hair, you probably should be clarifying your hair, especially before trying out a product line. Because if it's something new, you don't know how it works unless you clarify your hair, because you might have buildup of other products on your hair. So I think this is a fair thing to do. My hair doesn't feel too dry. It has slip in it, and slip isn't necessarily something that shampoo is supposed to do, but when it does it, it's always a plus for me. I like shampoos or cleansers and co-washes that have slip, and this one does. Alright, so I rinse out the clarifier, and let me tell y'all, my hair feels really good. It does not feel dry at all. It is still quite detangled. So it did not strip my hair dry. It does not have a squeaky clean feel to it, but it does feel clean. So since I'm due for a deep conditioner, I'm actually gonna use the curl restoring treatment, which I've heard is amazing. So this is how the product looks. It's nice, thick, and creamy. And it has really good ingredients in it, like avocado oils, jojoba oils, hydrolyzed protein. It has a lot of oils in it. However, the oils are more towards the end. It does have silicones in it, which I'm not against. The only thing I really don't like is that the fragrance is at the top in the first 5. Whatever. So it's really, really, really thick, which I love. Okay, so we don't have to really apply a lot of it because it probably coats the hair really well. I'm gonna section my hair. I'm gonna apply this in quadrants, so. I'm gonna be honest, I don't love the way it's applying, but I don't hate it. It's not as slippery as I'd love it to be. And my hair is damp. I always apply my conditioners or deep conditioners, deep treatments on damp hair. I mean, you know what I feel like? It feels like I'm putting like shea butter on my hair. It's really thick, so that's probably why, just the consistency. We'll see how it feels after it's under the heat, because that does make a difference. Heat softens the hair because it opens the cuticle, so it is gonna feel a lot different. All right, so now it's a lot more slippery, being that I sat under the dryer and my hair got a little warm. So I'm gonna let this cool off for a little while, let it sit until it gets a little cooler, and then I'm gonna rinse it out with some cool water. Okay, so I rinsed the curl restoring treatment out of my hair. It felt okay. It didn't feel like really nice and luxurious like I would like it, but it didn't feel horrible either. So it's dead smack in the middle. Definitely not a must-have treatment for me. So I'm gonna go straight into the curl primer. And this is a lightweight leave-in treatment. And the reason why I wanna use this is because I really don't like leave-ins, like heavy leave-ins underneath my gels, because I don't wanna risk product buildup. That's what I'm gonna do. My hair is still soaking wet pretty much. So for the curl primer, like I said, it's a lightweight leave-in, it's a spray. It says for all curl types and textures, apply to wet hair evenly, distribute, and style with curl smoothing pudding, the style setting gel, or the styling potion. Typically I find like sprays really don't moisturize my hair, so I'm interested to see how this feels. So it is moisturizing my hair. I can feel it. My hair doesn't feel dry or anything like that. It has nice lip to it. You can see the transformation between this and this. And it is definitely lightweight. So this is doing good so far. So I'm just gonna spray that all over my hair, and then I'll come back when I'm done. I'm gonna move on to the curl setting gel. So the curl setting gel tames frizz, defines with a medium hold. It says that it fights frizz and defines curls without the crunch. Okay, so we're gonna be looking for that, no crunch. And it says set your wash and go or twist your strands for a beautiful shiny finish after curl primer or styling potion. Smooth, small amount through wet hair, small amount, and then sit under a dryer, air diffuse, or clump the curls. Okay, so you know what I'm gonna do? Since I didn't really love the curl primer, I'm going to try a section in the front with the curl styling potion. So I'm gonna split my hair down the middle. The side with my mole is going to be without the curl styling potion. And I'm gonna go in with the curl setting gel. And it's a really runny gel. Let me feel how this feels first on my hair. Okay, nice little slippage to it. Ooh, nice slip. Really nice slip, okay. I love it so far. See, once I find a good gel, I am like the happiest person ever, because I love my wash and goes, okay? And a good gel, that's all I need. I love the way it feels on my hair though. The gel, it's very, very slippery. It feels very moisturizing to the hair. No tugs or pulls. It's just gliding right on through. The hold is what I'm interested in seeing after it's dry. All right, so this is how my hair looks with the curl setting gel. This is the one with just the curl primer and the curl setting gel. My curls are nice and defined and very much so moisturized. So now on this side, I'm gonna use the curl styling potion as my leave-in. So this is a 2-in-1 leave-in plus styler with soft hold. So you can also use the curl styling potion as like by itself as a styler. So let's see this consistency. Okay, so it's creamy. Ooh, slippery. Ooh. Oh. Sorry for all the sound effects, but I like, y'all, slip and slide. This is so slippery. Like, let me feel, oh my God. It's luxurious and very moisturizing and slippery. Okay, oh, I could just use this. Look at this, y'all. But just to be fair, I'm gonna use the curl setting gel. So this is just with the potion, y'all. Look at this. Nice hold, okay? And then you add the curl setting gel to it, and I only put a little bit. Don't put a lot. So slippery. Okay, so I'm all done applying the products. As I said, remember, the side without the mole on my cheek is the one with the gel and the potion. The one with the mole on my cheek is the primer and the gel. So by far, I love both. But so far, I really do love the side with the potion and the gel. But we'll see how it looks whenever it dries. So I'm gonna go ahead and sit under a dryer, see how long it takes to dry, and then I'll be right back to show you how it looks. All right, y'all, so my hair is 100% dry, and it only took 45 minutes for both sides to dry. I sat under the dryer, and it's done. I can tell you that I rather the side with the potion, but I'm gonna break the gel cast so that you can see how both sides look. I'm gonna use Uncle Funky's daughter to break the gel cast. That's what I typically use. So I'm just gonna tug on that to take out the crunch. Oh, by the way, the packaging says no crunch. It does have crunch. So I'm pulling these curls ever so toughly. I'm just breaking the gel cast, taking the crunch out, and it's coming out beautifully. The side with just the gel and the primer, it does have more crunch than the side with the potion. So, and I'm not gonna lie, as I am breaking the gel cast, I can see around me stuff coming out like flakes. Let's hope this doesn't flake as the day goes by. I'm gonna break the side with the curl potion. Well, it actually has the curl primer, the curl potion, and also the gel. I love how this side is right now. Like, I really do. This side's like the best. I see the flakage, but it's not half as much as what on this side. The gel cast is broken and the verdict is in. The curl setting gel and the curl styling potion is definitely my favorite. It's a lot softer. It's a lot more movable, a lot more moisturized, a lot less flakes that I'm getting on this side. The curls are just a lot more bouncy and hydrated. Both sides look great, but I love this side better. The side with the curl primer and the curl setting gel is a little bit more frizzier, it's a little bit more firmer, and it has a lot of flakes. Like, every time I move it, I can see the flakes all over. This side has a little bit, but not as much. I can't choose between the curl setting gel and the curl styling potion. These two products are so bomb together. So I would definitely say get these two. Okay, y'all, so I'm popping in to share some updates. I've been wearing my wash and go with the Moknowshair collection for about, it's been maybe like 7-8 hours or so. And it looks great. It still looks absolutely amazing. I am so impressed with the results. I freaking absolutely love how my hair looks. In fact, I love it so much that I am so sad that I have to come back here and update y'all. My hair is flaking like everywhere. My hair is so flaky, y'all. Like when I tell y'all, it is so flaky. Look, you can see it all fly. Mainly on the ends, and it's only on some pieces of curls, and the more I manipulate it, the more as the day goes by, it's flaking more and more. And I'm so sad because, like, y'all, when I tell y'all I haven't had a great wash and go like this in so long. Everybody's hair is different, so it might not flake on yours. It's doable. It's doable. Like you can see on the ends right here, you can see the flakes. On the side where the curl portion was, it's not as much, but you could still see them. You could see the little flakes, but it's not as bad as the side that has just the gel and the primer. You can't, the camera doesn't even do it justice, but you can see it on the ends. You can see every white spot that you see. That's flakes everywhere. So I wanted to come and update y'all on that. I am so sad because, like, I love the wash and go. I love the way the products felt on my hair. But wanted to keep it real with y'all. Back to the rest of the video. So that is it for this tutorial slash review. I know it was probably long. I'm gonna try to edit this down. I'm very chatty and I'm very passionate about this, so excuse me if it's too long, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that you guys found this to be very useful. Comment down below if you've tried the products. What's your favorite product from the Moknowshair collection? Like I said, you can get all these products from sallybeauty.com, also your local Sally Beauty. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.